Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful and trendy 50 short hairstyles for women over 40, perfect for fall 2025. After 40, many women look for hairstyles that are not only stylish but also easy to manage. Short haircuts are the best choice because they are trendy, low maintenance and make you look youthful and confident. For fall 2025, hairstyles are bringing a mix of classic cuts and modern twists. You will see styles like Pixie cuts, layered bobs. These looks are designed to suit different face shapes and hair textures, so there are sometimes for everything's easy stylish haircuts. One of the most popular styles in the pixie cut. It's short, smart and gives you an instant youthful vibe. If you like something with a little more value, the layered bob is another great option. It frames the face beautifully and adds moments to hair. Fall is also the season for adding a bit of warmth and color. Many women over 40 are choosing highlights, lowlights, or rich autumn shades like caramel and orange. These colors not only brighten but the style up also add a modern touch. The best part about short hairstyles is their versatility. You can style them sleek and polished work or messy and textured for a classy day out. With the right cut, short hair can make you look fresh, stylish and full of energy. These haircuts are also very practical. They save time, reduce hair fall caused by heavy styles and give you a light, comfortable feel. No need to spend hours in front of the mirror. Short styles make everyday styling quick as smile. For 2025, the focus is on confidence and natural beauty. A haircut should not only look trendy but also make you feel good about yourself. Whether you want a bold makeover or a soft, classic look, short hairstyles offer endless possibilities. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.